about wireless transmission examples, as we have different choices: terrestrial microwave, satellite microwave, broadcast, radio, infrared, right? And my wireless transmission system comparison, wireless propagation modes. So we can have different wireless propagation modes, and there are different multiplexing techniques in order to achieve a high data rate between the core networks, right? So TDM, FDM, WDM, and then communication network. So there are different technologies that are being used, and they are still there. Circuit switching, actually that is the core communication technology for conventional PSTN network. And then packet switching, that is the core communication technology that is being used for the internet, over the internet you can say. Frame